So I'm David Marshall. I'm here at University of Colorado at Boulder. I'm jointly between the mechanical engineering departments and the aerospace engineering department. I'm a research faculty and I've been here for about 2 years. Previously I was in an industrial research lab. The research that I've done with respect to PDCs is with two students, Ali Badran and Spencer Densero, and they are working on various aspects of ceramic composites. So Ali has been doing X-ray tomography using a synchrotron at Berkeley, and he's working on developing new methods for automatically getting information out of the complex images you get from that. Spencer has just begun. He's spent a summer last year in Padua, an exchange program there, and he's just starting his PhD and he's working on infiltrating ceramic composites with a matrix.
Perfect. What is the importance of this program, of this specifically PIRE?
So the importance of PIRE, in my view, is that it will inspire good young students to take up this field of high temperature materials and other applications that can come from the polymer derived ceramics. So my thoughts on the future of the program and the materials. First of all, the materials, I think they have a potentially big impact. They're one of the few materials that can be used for really high temperature applications with ceramic composites. The future of the program. Well, I think in the next 3 years that remain in the program, I think there's promise that we'll make big advances in these areas that hopefully will have a big impact in a number of different industries. A little bit more detail of how we interact and the role of PIRE in those interactions. I think another big benefit of PIRE is that with students going and visiting institutions in Europe, that helps create long-lasting collaborations between us and those institutions and the people there. It's all part of building a community which is so important for making advances in a field like this.